Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to bring you the update for my rolling 10 project pan. If it is 10 if I am working on 10 products, I am not quite sure because I'm so confused when I look at my notes. But anyways, this is a project pan where I try to use up as many products from my collection as possible, or in one case I have a hit pan goal, but I will get to that. So, if you're new here, hello, my name is Helena and I love to project pan. I love to use the makeup that I already own, but I also own a shit ton because I test new makeup as well. So if you like to look at project panning, if you like to look at testing out new makeup, then you should definitely subscribe and say hello in the comments. Let me know that you found me. And yeah, let's jump into this update. So as I said, I am very confused with my items, but we shall power through. Let's talk about something that has been in here for a very, very long time and which will be here the rest of the year, probably into next year. This is my lip liner from Kicks, and as I always say, Kicks is a Swedish beauty store. Their own brand is no longer called Kicks Beauty, it's called Beauty Act. So if I have products that are called Kicks, that means it's very, very old. So we should move this out. This is lip liner, it's in the shade Blueberry Lips. It is what I am wearing today. And yeah, slow progress. I think my lines are looking quite similar each and every month. There you can see, so we do have a long way to go. This is the lip liner. So that will stay in the project. Then let's talk about my other pencil when we're talking about pencils. This is my liner from LA Girl, and I see now that it has broken. Look at that. Look at that tip. Back with you. This is a metallic eyeliner from LA Girl. I don't fancy it because it's metallic. I thought it was going to be bone white, but here we are. It's in the shade Lullaby, and I also want to finish this one. The progress is a bit slower than it was when I introduced it. Let's see if we can find. So here you see. And that is because I have been using a different liner for another project. So we have some progress, but not as much as it used to be. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, the lip liner is still weighing 3 grams, which it has done all the time. This one has lost 1 gram since I weighed it. My scales are not very precise. I don't see decimals, I only see like full grams. So it weighed 5 grams when I rolled it in, and now it's at 4 grams. So that is good. Okay, what else? I have been working on my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. It's the mailman and the dogs. Hilda? Come on, Hilda, gå och lägg dig. Very upsetting. Very upsetting. How dare they deliver our mail? How dare they walk on our patio? Anyways, so this foundation has been in for quite some time, I think. How many updates? It has been in for 3 updates now. It's in the shade Marisol. It's very, very light, and it has very, like, the coverage is insane. I have finished this one. So it weighed 23 grams when I rolled it in, and the other update it weighed 19 grams, and now it is done, which I am so happy about. This was just too cakey for me. It did not work, and it was too light, so I had to mix it with my Beauty Blender Bounce foundation, which is a bit dark. So I could make it work, but I'm happy to have it out. It was very old in my collection. Then I have been working on, so if you want to see the product I'm rolling in, then you should wait till the end, but we are done so with that one. I have been working on my bronzer from Kiko Milano. This is one that I just want to hit pan because it's a humongous product. I cannot finish this one. Not this year anyways, but I can hit pan. And it is still like, we are still not there. As you can see, it is a baked product, and the dent here, this is like flat. And this is where I'm focusing my brush. I don't know if we will have pan this year. I hope so, because this is a product I prefer during summers because it's very glowy. But I am determined to hit pan this year because I failed last year. So now, a new year, new try. And yeah, it smells delicious. It is very, very beautiful. It's just one of my oldest bronzers in my collection, so it should have pan. I should have shown it enough love for it to have pan, I think. But we are still a long ways to go. This one has changed in weight. It weighed 127 grams last update, and now it's weighing 124 grams. So, quite a big difference there. I am also working on a setting spray. This is from Beauty Creations. It's the peach setting spray. It smells like peaches. It's okay. I don't really think it makes my makeup last longer or anything, but it kind of melts my makeup into place. This one is looking like this. So we were up there when we started. There, last update, and now we are here. So this should be done by the end of the year. Shouldn't be an issue. And yeah, I don't think I will have it done by next update, just like looking at how much I used previous months, but it should definitely be out by the end of the year. Then last time I enrolled my Kryolan powder. This is the anti-shine powder in the shade Light. It does darken a bit on my skin. I am very, very fair, as you can see, and also very glowy. It is just what it is today. So I enrolled it and put it, but I put the powder in this one because I don't like, you can't pour anything out on the lid because you have this like thing, what do you say, stopper here, and it's a mesh. So I did pour everything over into this one. This is from just an old compact. Last time when I rolled it in, I was sitting right by the, like when the white starts, and now I am just above the black, so it's just this very, very end here. So this one will be rolling out next update, I am sure, because as you can see, my face is very shiny. Even though I powder like crazy, I still get shiny. This is the shine after half a work day. So this one is weighing, it weighed 30 grams when I rolled it in, and now it's weighing, this one weighed 33 grams when I rolled it in, and now it's weighing 30 grams. Then I also last time enrolled my KimChi Chic The Effin primer. I accidentally bought 2 of these, which is annoying because it's not really the best primer. It's very silicone-y, slippery. And we are looking like this. So I rolled it in, I was about there, and now you can see I am sitting right there. So this will probably be empty by the next update, I think. I'm just running, I don't know how I can use so much of this primer, but apparently I can. So yeah, it's not that great, it's a bit too slippery, so I'm trying to mix it with gripping primers to get some grip, because I mean, I don't need more slippery things than my own slippery oils in my skin. Help my foundation to just slide off. That is not anything I need. I enrolled my Colorpop concealer last time as well. Oh yeah, this one has changed in weight. It weighed 29 grams when I rolled it in, and now it's weighing 25 grams. Yeah, so my Colorpop concealer, I rolled this in last time. It is the Pretty Fresh concealer in the shade, what are you, Fair tan neutral, I think. I don't like this concealer. I think it's weird looking underneath my eyes. I have started to apply this before I put on foundations, just because when I have foundation on and try to apply this, it doesn't work. I don't know if my under eyes are just weird, because people swears by this, but I don't like it. This one weighed 33 grams when I roll it in, and now it's weighing 32 grams. I think I'm sitting right about here, but it's difficult to tell. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. I also think that I enrolled my KVD Lolita lipstick last time. I don't remember. I think I did, but I don't have any weights. So this is one of my favorite shades, and I love this formula, but this is just getting very, very old, so I should, you know, love it until the very end and not let it spoil. I am starting to see windowing, so I don't have much left, and that is, you know, basically organic use, because it's just such a lovely shade. This is what that one looks like. It's a perfect terracotta shade. They did rename it, I can't remember to what, but they didn't want to keep, you know, when they changed and, you know, departed from Kat Von D. And they also now have changed some of the names, like Lolita, because Lolita can be troublesome. It's unnecessary to call things Lolita, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I didn't take weights on this last time apparently, so now it's weighing 11 grams. But I hopefully will have this empty by the end of the year. And then that is it. And when I counted, I could just count to 9, so I don't know what is going on. I seem to be so confused, but I mean, that's what happens if you fail to film updates for a long time, then you kind of forget. And I thought that I was organized in my notes, but apparently not. Anywho's this, let's talk about what I'm rolling in. To replace my Juvia's foundation, I am rolling in my Peri Pera Ink Lasting Cover Foundation in the shade 01. This is what I have on my face today. It does get shiny, but it's so, so beautiful. It is a truly very, very beautiful foundation. And it looks tiny, but I think it has the same amount. I'm not sure. Anyways, this is where I'm at. So I have used like a third of this foundation, and I want to finish it. I don't know if I will be able to finish it until the end of the year. We shall see. But I'm happy to be working on this one. It's really beautiful. It's a very safe bet. I like to take this when I travel because it's very small and compact, and but I know that my skin will look fabulous with it. And then, as I said, I don't know how many products I had working like from last time, but I could just count to 9. So if I want to keep my numbers at 10, then I need to roll something in. So I'm rolling in this palette. This is the Ofra Glow x5 with like their signature highlighters. Mine is looking like this currently. So these two were two very, very dark highlighters. Let's see what it was. Bali and something that I can't see because I'm blind. So I have mixed these in and like frankened one blush with one of the highlighters and one bronzer with the other. So these are the ones that I have left, and as you can see, I do have pan in all of these. I think I am very tempted to franken these together. I don't know if that will work because these are baked products, and I'm just not sure. But I'm tempted to just franken everything together because this one, Rodeo Drive, is a bit dark. I mean, it works during summer, but I mean, summer is long gone. So I do get like a slight cast with that highlighter. So I'm mixing these two currently. So I think that maybe if I have an empty pan, then I will just franken them together and call it and use it up that way. But I want to finish this. This is is one of the products in my plan to pan for 2023, so I should get a work on this. It's weighing 82 grams currently. And that, guys, is it. Those are my products. Let me know what you have finished this last month and how your panning goals are going. Do you think that you will be successful this year, or do you have a lot of products that you haven't been able to finish up? Please let me know. And yeah, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys!